Let's learn how to use Copilot 365 to update your stale lessons by creating academic content, PowerPoints, and assessments. The first step is preparing a document to feed Copilot with the academic content you want to teach. Now, I've been using this text to teach design theory to my photography students for over 20 years. It's still valid content, but the examples are a little dated and no longer connect with my students. So I'm going to use Copilot in Word to take a look at that content from the perspective of a photography teacher who wants the content to resonate with their 11th and 12th grade students. I'm asking it to outline this content. I'm asking it to update that content with contemporary examples. I'm giving it context of the type of students that I'm teaching and the type of design and theory that I want the students to understand. Copilot does a great job of updating the content and giving me a document that I can run with. I'm going to read this document and look at it, update it a little bit, and use it to create a PowerPoint with Copilot 365. So to do that, just open up PowerPoint, go to Copilot, and then you can create a presentation from File. All I need to do is reference the file that I just saved, give Copilot some instructions on how I would like the PowerPoint to look, and Copilot's going to ingest that document and create a PowerPoint based upon the content in that document. So it's now going to give me an updated PowerPoint presentation for my class based upon the content I ingested from the textbook and the document we created from that. I'm feeling pretty good about this start that Copilot's giving me in my PowerPoint, but there's a lot of editing that I need to do. So now I'm going to look at this PowerPoint, and you have to be an expert in your content. You are going to have to edit some of the text. You are going to have to add some visuals that make sense. And Microsoft has a ton of tools for you to update those. And of course, you can grab images from the web or from your files that you've used for years when you're teaching. What I love about this, though, is it gives me the ability to quickly freshen my years-old lessons and get them ready for a new school year, for a new group of students. And now that I'm done with my PowerPoint and I've got my content for class, I need to make a few assessments for my photography students. Again, Copilot is going to make this super easy for us. We're just going to open up Word, open up Copilot Prompt. We're going to reference that first document we made, and we're going to ask it to give us an assessment and activity for photography students for each one of the design elements from the original text. Copilot does an excellent job of creating nice assessments, giving us a grading criteria, and laying out the way in which the students are supposed to complete the project. So this is my workflow.